In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the issue when everything appears zoomed out or smaller than usual in Google Chrome. This is a common problem that many users encounter, but fortunately, it's an easy fix with just a few simple steps. To start, let's address one of the quickest solutions. If you're using a Windows computer, simply press the Control key and the number 0 key at the same time. This action will instantly reset your page zoom to the standard setting of 100%. Now, if you're on a Mac, you'll want to press the Command key and the number 0 key together. This reset to 100% ensures that everything on the page displays at its intended size, bringing things back to a normal, easily readable scale. However, if your issue persists and everything still looks a bit too zoomed out, you might want to explore Chrome's built-in zoom settings. Start by opening up Google Chrome on your computer. Next, take a glance at the top right corner of the browser window, and you'll notice 3 vertical dots. This is the menu button, often referred to as the ellipsis. Click on these dots to open up a drop-down menu. Once the menu is open, you're going to look for an option labeled Zoom. Here, you'll see the current zoom level indicated as a percentage. If this number is anything other than 100%, that's likely the reason for your display issues. You can quickly set this back to the default 100% just by clicking on the reset icon, or if you'd prefer, adjust it manually by using the plus or minus buttons next to the zoom option. The plus button increases the zoom, making everything appear larger, while the minus button decreases it, making it appear smaller. Remember, the goal is to get it back to that balanced 100% mark. By following these steps, you're addressing the most common causes of the zoom display issue quickly and effectively. It's a good practice to familiarize yourself with these options, as they can enhance your browsing experience, not just when you're faced with issues, but also if you ever need to alter the display size for accessibility reasons or personal preference. So next time you notice a page is either too shrinked or blown up, you'll know exactly what to do to get back to the standard view. It's a simple fix that can make a big difference in how you interact with web pages daily. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Remember to subscribe and hit the notification bell if you'd like to keep up to date with more tips and solutions like this one.